Imagine your Lovable website whispering personalized advice and answering every question your visitors have instantly. Today, we're unlocking the power of AI to transform your Lovable website into an interactive hub. We'll guide you through connecting a Chatgpt bot, making your site a place where engagement truly thrives. The first step is to access your Lovable website's backend. Navigate to the section that allows for custom integrations or theme customization. This is where you'll find the space to introduce new functionalities. Next, you'll need the unique embed code provided by your Chatgpt bot service. This code acts as the digital handshake, connecting your website to the AI brain. Carefully copy this entire snippet of code, then return to your Lovable website editor and paste it precisely into the designated area you identified earlier. Think of it as planting a seed for your AI assistant. Once pasted, ensure you save or publish these changes within your Lovable platform. This action integrates the Chatgpt bot seamlessly into your website structure. And there you have it. Your Lovable website now boasts an AI-powered conversationalist. You can further customize its appearance and initial greetings directly within the AI services dashboard to perfectly match your brand's personality. This integration means dynamic interactions, instant support, and a more engaging experience for every visitor who lands on your Lovable site. No more unanswered questions, just continuous, intelligent conversation.